Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check Snapchat score, and all you have to do is to launch the Snapchat application. And once you've launched your Snapchat application, all I would like you to do is to head on over to your profile, and then from here you are going to check on this ghost icon. And from here you're going to tap on this ghost icon, and as you can see, I have this amount of snap score. As you can see, it says 15 snaps sent or viewed, 3,000 maps received, and 4 snaps added to stories. And we can also do this by taking somebody else's by just scroll down, and from here I can just head on over to my friends and decide to choose this person. Going to tap on their profile, and from there, as you can see, I can see that they have 17 snap score. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.